Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your project has a basic index, HTML, and a modern browser. That's enough to run Tailwind via CDN. Next, add the Tailwind CDN script tag into the head of your HTML so utility classes are available immediately. Once done, create a simple container element and apply a few Tailwind classes to test rendering. Make sure to choose the development or minified CDN build, depending on whether you want debugging features or optimized performance. You now construct components by combining Tailwind utilities so you avoid custom CSS. Start with layout utilities like Flex or Grid and add spacing and typographic classes to shape content. Then introduce responsive prefixes such as SM and LG so the same markup adapts across breakpoints. Once done, include state modifiers like hover and focus for interactivity. Make sure to test each change in the browser. Using the inspector helps you iterate quickly without rebuilding. You finish by optimizing. Switch to the production CDN or integrate a purge step when moving to deployment so unused utilities are removed. Then test across browsers and viewport sizes to confirm responsive behavior and consistent spacing. If something doesn't style correctly, inspect the element to confirm the CDN script loaded and that class names are spelled precisely. Conflicting CSS or incorrect load order often causes issues. Finally, iteratively refine classes and consider moving to a build setup when scaling beyond CDN convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.